Hi everyone. Today is a new short video, and this time about a library that was released recently by Google called LangExtract, which is basically a way to extract certain entities from text and structure them. And this is available on the Google for Developers blog. You can see the introduction of this new library, a Gemini-based library called LangExtract, and it's quite useful for information extraction, especially with a very precise grounding. So you can see where that entity, for example, a person's name, a company's valuation, etc., that has been identified. And the use case we been working on over this weekend was basically within the sports sponsorship. And let's see it in action, which is basically for a simple web page or an article or a piece of content. We're going to be able to extract the sponsors, the teams that are being sponsored, what type of deals and the financial terms and the status behind them, and all of that through the Lang extract library, which is quite really nice um, way to automate and train such capability in your own use case. So what you see here is basically you have the entities we're focusing on as sponsors, right holders, and the detection is running in real time through the text that has been provided, and it's color coded to match what's the entity, and you can see the counter here in real time, taking into consideration the new entities. So this is it. It's very simple, very straightforward, and you can have it running locally or on your own um, app and capabilities from directly GitHub and LangExtract provided by Google. Hope this is fun. See you in the next video.